Hello, you- you're welcome to the our YouTube channel. This is Mr. Shedrock, and this is Legit Car Business TV, place where we teach ethical online and information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor by like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that whenever a video like this is released, it gets to be notified. Having said that, we are going to look briefly about how anyone in anywhere you are in the world you can easily trade BTC, which is the popular cryptocurrency in the world, and still make a lot of money. We're looking at a formula here that is using just $10 as a startup capital to turn this $10 into roughly 500 to $1,000 within the next 6 months. Now, if you look at the price chart on the screen here, if you go to coingigo.com, place where you analyze cryptocurrencies, you will discover that the price of BTC at the moment of recording this video is around $39,554. Now, most of us that know BTC when it started, the price was not in this. It wasn't around 8 years back. It was around $67. But because of demand and supply of these assets, it has risen up to high expectation of almost $70,000 4 months back. That was November 10, 2021. Now, all these months, it has been doing corrections, okay, to maintain a particular margin in the market. So he is number one in the market. For those of us that are new in crypto, Bitcoin is the number one in the market, in the open market. It's being traded by millions of and billions of people globally. But so many people don't know that there is a shortcut of how you can actually make so much money. We're looking at using $10 to make roughly $500 to $1,000 in 6 months using BTC. Now, we are not telling you to go out there, maybe go to Binance or any of the exchange and then buy Bitcoin of $10, fraction of Satoshi. No, is not what I'm saying here. Okay, I'm trying to define something for you. Everything that happens in life, you need a guide, you need a formula to make things work. You don't just wake up and dabble into something you don't know. So how can somebody make that kind of amount of money? I mean, using $10 to make 500 to $1,000 in Bitcoin, even when the price is at this level. Because if you look at this place, if you enter $10 here, let us be practical here. If you enter the $10 in the buy system, you can see you can only buy 0.000025 Satoshi, which is very meager. So if you now go and buy this, either using exchange or call somebody to sell BTC for you of that amount, even if you wait 100 years, you can never make up to even $100. Except Bitcoin now become possibly $500,000 before you can think of making like $50 with $10. And you know that before it can be Bitcoin can rise to that magnitude, it will take years. It will take years before you can reach out to $500,000. Now, what is the shortest way of you profiting from now BTC is on this rising? Remember, so many countries of the world have adopted cryptocurrencies as one of the new money system. Okay, So people has talked about it in the past, and people are still talking about it even in the present. I myself is a full I'm a crypto trader for like 4 to 5 years now. So I know when a second currency which we are going to review in this category started up, you know, and it's going to shock you. I'm going to give you that review. So what you do for me is to like, share this video, and then subscribe. We thank you for being our subscribers. Do not think that we are just here in this channel to joke. No, we are covering so many areas of businesses that are legit and working. And the only way we do it is not, we are not an internet marketer, okay, to start with. We do practical business presentation here. What I mean is this: anything that we are airing on our channel, it is something we have tested. I, Mr. Shadrack, and my team, we have tested it before we started coming to broadcast it. Okay, we are into telecommunication. We are doing it. We have several portals. You can go to instamobile.com.ng. You can go to Data Mobile. We are selling the product, and we are rendering it as a marketing, as a product for development for others. We are also into web development. We are doing it. We are also into trading, and we are doing it daily. So it's not like those marketers or those presenters that are not actually doing the actual thing they are saying. They are just trying to tease you up. Now, for you to be knowledgeable of whatever you are doing as someone that want to earn from the internet, the first ever most thing you have to do is to practice what you are saying. And I'm telling you from every indication that we have a shortcut on how you can turn roughly $10 into $500 to $1,000 within 6 months from now in Bitcoin. So people that are skeptical whether this thing is possible, Mr. Shader, is 100% possible. Now, if you look at the price of Bitcoin, you see that is on a very high rate. You cannot even buy it. For an average person in the world cannot purchase it, especially in Nigeria. Okay, now how do you get involved in this and still make so much money in Bitcoin? The only way you can do that is to use what we call leverage system, and that leverage system is called ALSA, Automated Leverage Access System. And we are into trading, and we have discovered the shortcut. If you look at our previous videos, you'll be able to see some of the video I have talking on that. We also have a WhatsApp group which is on the description of this video, which you can watch. But I'm not trying to explain to you to go into to subscribe for the signal packages. No, there is a book, is a coaching book. That book will not take you up to 3 to 5 hours to read it. It's just roughly 18-page worth of write-up that details everything you need to know about this business, this new trading business. And we are hoping to launch the platform in any moment from now. This platform will be specifically for day traders, to be for people that needed to get results in their business, especially on trading. Because one of the things that I learned from trading is this: is kind of a passive, one of the safest and passive way of making money, whether in Nigeria, whether in Ghana, whether in UK, whether in Gabon, whether in Congo, whether in South Africa, whether in Ukraine, whether anywhere you are in the world, you can be making serious passive income if you know what the gurus knows. And I'm assuring you that Shadrack has tested this business. I didn't just make a research. I'm not doing research, because if you go to other YouTube channels, they will tell you I did the research, and no, I am practically living the life of what I'm telling you. Okay, so the only way you can know whether something is working if you have practiced it live. So I have tried to practice this in life and it's working. What is that? A situation whereby you sleep off and you wake up, you're seeing your money multiplying. The only way you can see it is through trading. And you don't just dive into trading and then start trading anything you see on the market. No. Like now you go and buy Bitcoin. Is that era has passed. You don't just go and buy Bitcoin and keep it. For those average traders that says no, there's a way you can do this and you do it better off. And we have done it. I personally have packaged that product for you and analyzed everything bit by bit without no step skip on how you can profit from this emerging market. Remember, the next version of cryptocurrency is going to wow you, because here we are looking at Facebook has joined, Google is there, Microsoft is there. So many big companies in the Amazons, they are all here, and Metaverse is taking over in the crypto world. So it's a time you queue up in, and the only way you can queue up in is to follow people that has been in the industry. I'm telling you that I've been in trading for like a couple of years. That's up to 5 years. We started when, I think I'm gonna give you that in the next video. We're gonna give you a history of how Shadrach started doing trading, and the only way you can get notified when I'm releasing this kind of notes is to subscribe, like, share this video. The more like we are seeing on any of the trading review, we now know that audience needed that kind of attention. So like this video so that it can go far. Now, this book is very cheap. It's on a very cheap price for now. As a matter of fact, we're still negotiating whether this book will be sold at that rate. So join the WhatsApp group. Join it now. Join it in this description of this video, and then place your own order. It will be delivered wherever you are in Nigeria. It's just a token of 4,500 for now. Remember, we are going to be launching a platform. Once we launch the platform, we are going to inform you. Once this platform is launched, this book will be launched together with other things that will make you daily money. You need daily money to survive in this country, not only in Nigeria but other countries. You hear so many countries fighting, Ukraine fighting, so so many things are happening. So the safest way you can make money without anything, without doubt or anything, is to join the trending. The trend now is crypto. Is crypto trading, not crypto as in buying of asset. No, it's crypto trading and trading with experts. Okay, now it will surprising you that you can still trade Bitcoin even on this high price. You can still trade it with little amount of $10 and turn that $10 into $500 to $1,000 within 6 months. Okay, or less than that. And the only way you can do it is when you know what the gurus know. So get that book, subscribe, like, share this video, call Mr. Shadrach to order for the book. It will be delivered instantly to your email. Nothing to shift. It's just a digital product. Pay into the account that will be assigned to you once you join the WhatsApp group, and the book will be sent to you. Okay, pending when the platform is ready. Once the platform is ready, we'll launch everything. You see everything in details. So I am encouraging you to start this business. Okay, start it now. There is no two ways about it. And remember, nothing goes for nothing. Okay, you don't want to start a business. You want to start a business, you must pay for capital. You must rent for shop, isn't it? And this is what Mr. Shadrach is telling you. Pay a token of amount of 4,500 as in Nigeria and get this book. Once we launch the platform, we'll also launch the book, launch so many things that are attached to the platform that will make you much money. This is not going to be like maybe last year where you keep on hustling, nothing is showing up. This one is not like, this one is once you finish the book within that 3 hours, you will start immediately. You will see reasons why you should start immediately, and once you start it, you will see much results in the table. We promise any of our students that we are going to break through In fact, you'll be a savior to your generation. Okay, we have dominated the telecom market industry in the past and the present right now. This industry of crypto trading, we're also dominating it. You know why? Because we have mastered the formula of how to trade right. Remember, I burned so much money. Even in my book, I said it. Someone that burned so roughly 1.5 million. Remember, I'm a full stack web developer, a trader. So I'm not just an average guy that just come in and starts. No. So if all these years I used my hard-earned money to know what will help your generation or help you escape poverty, and then a bare 4-5 you cannot pay it, guy, go and try another thing. But if truly you know you have been following Shedrack, you have been a subscriber of the channel, and you say, this guy, let me know whether I can try this. He has been talking about so many products like telecom, the prices are on the high side. Let me try this. Then join the WhatsApp group. Contact us right away. Contact me right away on the WhatsApp group. Order for your book. It will be delivered immediately, even if it is midnight. Once you make your payment, it will be delivered to you, and then you start immediately. I'll be your coach. I'll mentor you. Make sure you succeed. You can't fail. If you even know other business are failing you, because other business is based on marketing. Let's be very realistic. What am I trying to say? For instance, you start a website. You need to talk it. You need to share it on social media. In fact, we're going to make a book, a review video on the next presentations, because I'm a practical person. There's some businesses that depends on people, as in you need to market that business before it can sell, before it can make profit. But this particular business I'm talking about, this trading strategy that has been discovered, you don't need people. You don't even need a dying person if you are making money. So if you see that kind of business, won't you grab it? Or do you need the one that you keep shouting? If you want to do information marketing products, you need to sell. You need people to buy that product. You want to do telecom business, you need to keep talking to people to buy that product. You're a blogger, you need to be talking, you need to be writing articles. Or you're a physical business person that have a physical business, you need customers too. But here, the right and direct, Shedrack is telling you on this video that you don't need a soul, you don't need someone to talk to, and you'll be making much money, bigger than what you don't even expect. Those of us that are Nigeria, what is $10? $10 is roughly around getting to 6,000 in crypto. So imagine using 6,000 naira to make $500,000 or $1,000,000 naira in 6 months. It's not crazy. So the only way you can get this access to this is pay a token of 4,500, get an extra capital of 5,000 something, and start up. I will guide you. I'm going to see you at the top. I don't want to see you at the bottom. Subscribe, like, share this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks and God bless.